Good morning, children. Sairam. I hope you all are very well at home. So, again, I welcome to all with a happy heart to Grade 1. So, today I am going to explain social science project that you have to do during your summer vacation. So, children, your topic is Virtual Tour of Tradition and Culture of India from Ancient and Modern Period. So in this project, children, what you have to do? You have to record your voice while explaining your project. So you can make presentation on your own using internet and recording app. So children, your topic is tradition and culture of India. So first of all, you have to collect pictures and information related to your topic. Basically, children, you have to explain how it can change from ancient period to the modern period. But before proceeding further, let's understand what is tradition and culture. So without going too deep into the definition of the term, tradition is used to describe beliefs and behaviors that are passed on from generation to generation. Culture is used to describe the characteristics of certain society at a particular point in time. So Indian culture and tradition are something which has now become renowned all across the world. We all refers to India and its culture as something very diverse and unique. But seldom do we give a thought to why things are done in certain specific ways. Indian culture is full of several unique customs and tradition. Most of these originate from the ancient India, scriptures and texts which have dictated the way of life in India for thousands of years. So children, before I proceed, first just take out one rough notebook and pen to write down all the important points that you need to be included in your project. So first you just write down all the important point. Then step by step I will explain you how to make presentation. Now children, understand how to make presentation. This will be your first slide. Here you have to mention your name, standard, division and the school name. Now let's understand its steps to be followed. So step first, children, first you have to collect images from Google. So your topic is like tradition and culture of India, right? So basically you have to collect images about it. Now you have to arrange all the images that you have collected from the Google. You have to arrange these images in Google Slides or PowerPoint presentation. Okay children, those who are having laptop and computer at home, so they can make PowerPoint presentation. But student, if you are not having laptop and computer at home, so you can make your presentation in Google Slide. I will tell you how to download this Google Slide from Play Store and how to make presentation. Clear? Now, first you have to download Google Slide from Play Store. Now step third, you also need to download X Recorder app from the Play Store. The next step, make presentation by recording your voice while explaining every image. So basically, you need take the picture from Google related to your topic, put it on your slide and take relevant information from Google and this also put it on your slide and explain it. Now next step is make presentation. That means the presentation should be 8 to 10 minutes. Okay children, now I am going to show you how to download Google Slide and X Recorder in your Android phone. Second, how to make presentation in your phone by the using of Google Slide and X Recorder. Children, for making presentation, first you have to download two apps in your phone. First app is the Google Slide and the second one is the X Recorder. Google Slide we used for making slides and X Recorder for the recording. So first you have to download these two apps, Google Slide and X Recorder. Now, how you can download these apps? First, go to the Play Store. Just click on it and type here the name of the app, Google Slides. So children, basically I am already having Google Slide in my phone, that's why it is written here update. But in your phone it will be install option shown here. Right? In your phone it will be install option shown here. So you just click on it and download Google Slide. After that, you also download X Recorder. So for that, first go to the Play Store, type here the name of the app, X Recorder. So again, I'm already having X Recorder in my phone, so that's why it is written here update. But in your phone it will be install option. So you just click on it and download X Recorder. Now children, you are having two applications. First one is Google Slide and second one is the X Recorder. Clear student? Okay. Now I am going to show you how to make slides. So for that, first you have to just open Google Slide. When you click on it, so this page will appear. Then go to this plus sign and start making new presentation. Then click on this new presentation option. So when you click on new presentation option, so this slide will be appear in your screen by default. So this is the first slide. So this is your first slide. So in first slide you have to add text. So how you have to add text? You just double tap to the add slide, then you will get the keypad. Then you can write here whatever you just want. Social science project. Done. Now student, you can modify your text according to your choice. How? First you just select your text, then go to this option A. Just click on it. Then bold option is here, italic. You can also choose underline. You can also change font style, text color according to your choice. Then you can also increase or decrease size. Done. Clear? Okay. Now children, second thing is, if you want to add more slide in your presentation, what you have to do, you just go to this button at the bottom, just click on it, then you will get many options. So I'm going to take this one. So this is your second slide. Now the third step, if you want to add images in your slide, then what you have to do, you just go to this plus sign, just click on it, then select image from photos, then downloads, go to the gallery and select any picture. So I am going to select this one. Now children, you can resize your picture according to your wish. Clear? Okay, now the fourth step. Children, if you want to make your presentation more attractive, so you can change your slide background. How? First, you have to take one more slide, then go to this option. Now, you can change your background. So what you have to do, just go to this option, 3 dot, just click on it, change theme, then you will get so many options here. I will take this one. So this is how you can change your slide background. Is it clear? So here we have done with this slide. Now just back to the home screen. Then before start making presentation, first just open X Recorder again. Then go to the X Recorder setting, scroll down, then you will get the record audio option. So what you have to do, you have to just enable this button like this, because after that you will be able to record your voice. Clear? First you just open X Recorder, then go to the X Recorder setting, then enable this button, record audio button. Clear? When you just enable this record audio button, then you will see this X Recorder button will be appear in your screen. Now you are ready for making presentation. Then go to the Google slide, open your slide, clear? Then again click on this X Recorder button and click on the start button. When you click on it, then whatever you just explained, everything recorded in this X Recorder. When you have done with this presentation, then again click on this X Recorder button and stop. Click on the stop button. When you click on the stop button, your presentation automatically save in your gallery. Clear, student? So this is how you have to make slide, and this is how you have to make X Recorder while explaining your presentation. Children, now you can understand how to download X Recorder and Google Slide in your phone, and how you can record your voice while explaining your presentation. Okay student, here I am going to show you an example for this. After that, I hope your doubt will be clear more. Good morning, everyone. I am Sunita Patel, and today I am going to take you a virtual tour to Red Fort. So, how beautiful picture is this? This is a Red Fort. The Red Fort was originally referred to as Qile Mubarak, the Blessed Fort, because it was the residence of the royal family. The layout of the Red Fort was organized to keep and integrate this site with the Salimgarh Fort. The planning and aesthetics of the Red Fort represent the high point in Mughal creativity which happened during the reign of Emperor Shah Jahan. The Red Fort is a historic fort in the city of Delhi in India that served as the main residence of the Mughal emperor. Emperor Shah Jahan started construction of the Red Fort on 12th May 1638 when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. Originally red and white, Shah Jahan's favorite colors. Its design is credit to architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori, who also constructed the Taj Mahal. It was constructed between May 1639 and April 1648. Thank you. Now you can understand how to make presentation by using these two apps, Google Slide and X Recorder. Okay, children. Those who will make a PowerPoint presentation in their laptop or computer, they can also download X Recorder, right? Okay. Now, basically in this example, I can use only 2-3 slide. Children, you have to add more slide in your presentation. Now, the third thing is basically you can save this presentation in your phone or in your laptop. When will school reopen, you will submit. I will tell you how you will submit. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.